This is for group number 5. Website www.maharashtra.ansco.in. So last time we have discussed about the MSc PCL. So home. Now we are here home. So various things, different photographs you can see over here. Then latest news and updates. It is little bit different than MSc DCA as far as the employees login. Here it is mostly related to company because MSc TCL are having tie-up with Generation and MSc DCL, DISCOM. So this is an intermediate. So employee email logging, right to information, then ticketing system, Mediclaim policy. This is for MSc DCL employees. Company profile. So last time we have discussed, it owns and operates around 46,217 kilometer length of transmission circuit and 660 extra high voltage EHV substations with 1,23,846 MVA transformers. This is the capacity. Then vision and mission of the MSc DCL, Maharashtra State Electric Transmission Company. So to establish ourselves a model state transmission utility STU and transmission license with respect to planning the project, implementation, operational capabilities, performance, with emphasis on the cost and the quality conscious human resources developed and corporate social responsibility. So this is a mission in accordance with the accomplishment of the vision. Vision is to make network development and investment plans for intrastate transmission system within a state. Reliable economical development, best-in-class system study and system planning capacities within organization. Then transmission planning is for 4 years, so you can see transmission plan for 5 years next. So this we as a state transmission utility dedicate ourselves to plan, develop, operate and maintain the state transmission system to the facilitate transmission of electricity from its source to load. So it is over a longer distance, reliable and economic manner. So state transmission utility 5 years plan. It is starting from 1718 to 22-23. So you can see here. So what is expected next 5 years as far as the transmission is concerned? Here these are the tender notices for inviting the tenders. Career opportunities, it is provided here. Major event video galleries. MSc TCL initiatives under implementation. Unmanned remotely substations, no man substations, GIS substations, GIS substation at Bando, commissioned 400 kV, Injaudi, GIS substation is in progress. MSc TCL developed web-based geographical information system, GIS, geographical information system, in collaboration with National Remote Sensing Center, NRSC, Nagpur, ISRO, using Bhuvan platform where in all EHV substations as well as lines and towers up to 220 kV level are mapped, and the web GIS portal, which is developed completely in-house at zero cost, it is in operational since 2017. This is an achievement and implementations provided. So you can have this general things in home. Then about MSc TCL, we have board of directors, board of members, quality objectives we have discussed, MSc TCL corporate brochure, statement account, company profile. So regarding this we have seen. Then we have also seen MSc TCL at a glance, current infrastructure, our map, yearly achievement, system availability, transmission loss, investment plan, financial performance. Now let us see, we have discussed the MS TCL at a glance. So current infrastructure, power map. As far as this power map is concerned, last time also I have shown you the power map. So study this power map. 110 kV lines, 132 kV lines, 220 kV lines, 400 kV lines, 66 kV lines, 765 kV lines, generating stations, high voltage DC lines. Then ring, different rings, Pune ring for example. So power map you will be able to see here. And you can read out the legend so that you can study this power map. Different lines. Minimum it is 66 kV and highest voltage level is 765 kV. So this you can have MSc TCL at a glance. Then what is current infrastructure? So current infrastructure, how many 765 kV lines, substations, transmission capacity in MVA, circuit length, it is reactive power compensation, 500 kV HVDC, it is running from Chandrapur to Padve, 2 capacity, circuit length, 400 kV, 220 kV. So this is the infrastructure, voltage level, substation, transmission capacity, UHV line, reactive power. Then availability of system availability. So it is a big PDF. You have to read this. I will ask you questions on this. HVDC and extra high voltage AC transmission system availability. Availability, it is associated with reliability. So see 2006-7 AC 98.2, now it is 99.61. So this is actually associated with the reliability of the system. It is continuously increasing. Similarly, HVDC availability 91.73, it is increased up to 96%. So this is a good achievement, especially needs a lot of technical efforts. Then transmission loss. The transmission loss, again important thing, as far as this is the technical loss. So monthly state transmission loss statement. Here we have April 19 to April 20. So April 19, May 19, it is 3% on an average. So within a year it is decreased. It is 2.79. Last year it was 3.36 in April 19. Now it is 2.97. So this is entirely achieved by the technological enhancement. Okay. Then study what is the transmission loss. Then investment plan. It is, of course, it is a project part. Not necessary to go in detail. Just to see what is proposed. 16-17. So plan it is 2016-17 to 2021. You see this and what new substations to be installed, MVA addition to be done, MVA addition to be done, to transformers, replacement of transformers, total MVA addition. Okay. Then you have financial performance. See if something is given, yes or no. So this financial performance you can see. Profit, blue color. Profit after tax, red color. Revenue collection, green color. Capex, blue color. So you can see here. Profit before tax, figures are given in below. Then innovation. This means new activity, new research and development, newly developed activities. So MSc DCL initiatives, ERP, entrepreneurship resource planning, optic fiber communication, smart grid, 765 kV substation, SCADA system, RTO units, state load dispatch center, SLDC, substation monitoring, video conferencing, unmanned remote control substations, GIS substations. So these are the recent initiatives of MSc DCL. So with this, I think sufficient for this. I will give you questions on this particular, and you have to submit your next work as assignment before Wednesday, Tuesday, that is of 9th of June 2000.